Billions of Oreo cookies are made every year, but have you ever wondered how they're actually produced? Behind every Oreo is a massive factory where giant mixers, high-speed ovens, robotic filling systems, and automated packaging lines work together with incredible precision. Today, we're taking you inside the Oreo factory. The journey begins with the ingredients. At first glance, an Oreo seems simple, but producing billions of identical cookies requires extraordinary precision. Large quantities of wheat flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oils, leavening agents, flavorings, and other ingredients arrive at the factory every day. Before production starts, quality control teams inspect every ingredient. Samples are tested for purity, consistency, moisture levels, and food safety standards. Even small variations can affect the final cookie, so strict quality checks are performed before ingredients enter production. Once approved, the ingredients move into giant industrial mixing systems. The first goal is creating the iconic dark chocolate cookie. Large mixers combine flour, cocoa powder, sugar, oils, and other ingredients according to carefully controlled recipes. Computerized systems measure every ingredient automatically to ensure consistency. As the mixers rotate, the ingredients gradually transform into a uniform dough. This dough must have the perfect texture. If it is too dry, the cookies may crack. If it is too soft, they may lose their shape during baking. Technicians continuously monitor the process to maintain precise standards. Once the dough reaches the correct consistency, it moves toward forming machines. Here, the dough is rolled into continuous sheets and fed into specialized cutters. These cutters stamp out perfectly round cookie shapes at extremely high speed. At the same time, the famous Oreo pattern is pressed into the surface of each cookie. The decorative design, logo, and patterns are formed before baking begins. Thousands of cookie pieces move onto conveyor belts every minute. The next stop is one of the most impressive parts of the factory: the baking ovens. These are not ordinary ovens found in homes or bakeries. Industrial tunnel ovens stretch for enormous distances. The cookies travel through carefully controlled temperature zones, where heat gradually removes moisture and develops texture. As the cookies move through the ovens, several transformations occur. The dough firms up, the chocolate flavor develops, the texture becomes crisp, and the cookies gain their familiar appearance. The smell inside this section of the factory is incredible. Rows of freshly baked chocolate cookies emerge continuously from the ovens, but surprisingly, they are still far from becoming Oreos. Before the filling can be added, the cookies must cool. Cooling conveyors transport the cookies through controlled environments, where temperature gradually decreases. Cooling is important because warm cookies could damage the cream filling during assembly. As the cookies cool, another production system is preparing the famous white cream center. Large mixing tanks combine sugar, vegetable oils, flavorings, and other ingredients to create the smooth filling. Powerful mixers blend the ingredients until the cream develops its signature texture. The consistency must be carefully controlled. If the filling is too thick, assembly becomes difficult. If it is too soft, the finished cookies may not hold together properly. Once ready, the cream is transferred to automated depositing systems. Now comes the stage most people would instantly recognize: the sandwiching process. Rows of cooled cookies move into assembly machines. Depositors place a precise amount of crème onto one cookie. Another cookie is immediately positioned on top. In a fraction of a second, a complete Oreo is born. This process happens incredibly fast. Thousands of cookies are assembled every minute. Every Oreo must contain the correct amount of filling, proper alignment, and consistent appearance. Computerized systems continuously monitor production to ensure quality. At this point, the cookies finally look like the Oreos people know and love. But the factory process is still not finished. The completed cookies now enter advanced inspection systems. High-speed cameras scan every cookie for defects. Artificial intelligence systems check shape, color, alignment, filling distribution, and overall appearance. Any cookie that fails inspection is automatically removed from the production line. Some factories can inspect hundreds of cookies every second. The goal is simple: every package should contain cookies that look nearly identical. After inspection, the Oreos move toward packaging. This is one of the fastest sections of the entire factory. Automated stacking machines organize cookies into neat rows. The cookies are then loaded into trays or sleeves before entering packaging machines. Special wrapping systems seal the packages quickly while protecting freshness. The packaging must prevent moisture from entering, because even a small amount of humidity can affect the crisp texture of the cookies. Production dates, batch codes, nutritional information, and tracking details are printed automatically during this stage. The sealed packages continue to case packing systems. Here, multiple packages are grouped into cartons for shipping. Robotic palletizing machines then stack the cartons onto pallets with incredible speed and accuracy. These robots work continuously, lifting thousands of packages every hour. The completed pallets move into warehouses, where inventory systems track every shipment. From there, trucks begin transporting the cookies across the country. Some shipments travel to supermarkets. Others go to convenience stores, warehouse clubs, vending suppliers, schools, restaurants, and distribution centers. Many shipments are exported internationally, helping Oreo maintain its position as one of the world's most recognized cookie brands. By the time the cookies arrive at stores, they have traveled through ingredient inspections, industrial mixing systems, dough-forming equipment, giant tunnel ovens, cooling conveyors, creme production lines, automated assembly systems, computer vision inspections, packaging machines, robotic palletizers, and nationwide distribution networks. And all of that happens before someone twists one open, licks the filling, and takes a bite. From a handful of simple ingredients to one of the world's most iconic cookies, every Oreo tells a story of precision, innovation, and craftsmanship. If you enjoyed discovering how it's made, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves factory documentaries, and subscribe for more amazing manufacturing journeys from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.